Uh, Talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price go in, I say fix things. Rocket don't care how you bend things. Liquidity sweet, then reversal brings things. While you buy tops and pray for things. I'm my bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a quick stream in 3, 2, and 1. A bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. Super code. I did not want to do my steps, but probably do my steps for like 15 minutes. That's how long the show may be. We'll see. People show up or ask questions or charts, then it'll go a little longer. If not, 15 minutes. All right. Crypto bubbles, man. Pippin up 62.3% on the daily. Whew. Hype and 27.9%, and that's it. That's it. We have lit up 12.2%, and then pump 16.2. We'll see. We got Crypto Change Me in the house. What's up, man? What's up going on? Appreciate you, man, being here. Strike Your Heart in the house as well. Thank you so much, guys. I'll give shout outs to the rest of the chat in just a moment. On the hourly, is Bitcoin going down? We're gonna find out in just a moment. But we have River up 7% on the hour, Pippin 5%, and Hype. Those are our 3 out of the thousands and thousands and thousands of altcoins. Those are the 3 that are in green. That's over 3%. That's crazy. Newbie Crypto says 7 to 7 a day. Nice. What a day. Who made gains with Newbie? 333s in the chat. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Nice work, Newbie. Appreciate you, man. Fear and Greed Index was at 29. We are now at 29. Okay. Liquidation heat map on the 24-hour time frame. We're going to reduce the liquidity threshold to 0.5. 0.5. There we go. We have nice liquidity to the top side. Very nice. We have a huge block down here, starting at 87.1, coming down to about 86.8. Nice block of liquidity. Could we not?
Has donated $2.00 and says Poppy Fun.
I love me some coffee. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. Infinite Team TA, what's going on? What is going on? Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that greatly. I really do. It does help support the channel. And I do like me some coffee. Matter of fact, tomorrow, I have coffee here, but I ran out of donuts. The donuts I had were supposed to last me for 4 days. They lasted me 2. Oh. So I'll give me a coffee and donut tomorrow. And I'll be thinking about Infinite Team TA tomorrow. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Let's see here. Could we, even though we're super close to this liquidation zone, could we just come straight down? Sure. So anything can happen. Matter of fact, there was some trader I was talking to, real good trader. And he says, well, Joe, didn't you see the CME gap? Like the price has to go there. Like, why would you do X, Y, and Z? Like the price is going to go there. I said, whoa. Wait a minute. Price can do whatever it wants. Just because there's a CME gap, it doesn't mean it has to go there. And if it does go there, it doesn't mean it has to go there right now. It can go there tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, next month. Eventually, it might go there. Of course, all the CME gaps, not all of them have been filled. The majority have, because of the direction the coin is going, or Bitcoin's going. But yeah, I have to stop people in their tracks when they say it has to do this. It has to. No, price can do whatever it wants. And then even if price has to fill the CME gap, which is not what I say, when is it going to fill it? That's the question. Is it going to fill it today, tomorrow, this week, next week, this month? When is it going to fill it? Well, I don't know that, but is it going to fill it? Okay, so what's the freaking point, in my opinion? You know, here's a CME gap for you. We're going to 120K. When it happens, whether it's this month, next year, 5 years from now, we're going to 120K. Anyway, that's my thought process. Let's see here. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. So if you trade the CME gaps, great, good for you. If you know when they will hit, let me know. Because every trader I've talked to, they don't know when. They just know there's a gap and it's going to go there. And sometimes they're thinking it's going to go there that day. It doesn't go there until a week. So just give you a heads up. Just to give you a heads up. We got Al in the house. Al is the one who gave us the tip on 0.5. He's the one who has been telling us, giving us this alpha here. Thank you, Al. Appreciate you. Let's get this money. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Yeah, but anytime somebody says something will happen or it has to happen, if I have the ability, I stop them in their tracks. It's like, no, price can do whatever it wants. It really can. And like for me, I love Frankie. Frankie Candles I think he's amazing. But there was a time, I don't know if he still does, I haven't watched him in a long time, where he says, oh, it's breaking the point of control. It's going to the value area low. Or it's gonna go to the value area high. No, price can do whatever it wants. It really can. Now, granted, will it eventually go to the value area low? Possibly, if it goes down. Will it definitely go to the value area high? Possible. If the price goes up, price could go up today, tomorrow, next week. Who knows? So just give you a heads up. We got Al in the house and JR. What's going on? See here. Crypto Champion says you should change the color to blue. See here. Some healing liquidity. Where's the blue? Oh, this stuff right here. I don't like changing too many things. I'm afraid it's gonna happen. Click. Ooh, sexy. Join my course. That's what I should do because it looks different. Join my course. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna concentrate on the bright colors, but you can see the difference. Oh, that's pretty cool. And man, look at y'all. Y'all be clicking buttons. I don't click buttons. Ooh, that's sexy. See here, JR in the house. Good evening, Joe. Good evening to you. That's pretty cool. I like that. Boring noob. This person doing this is a noob. This one's pretty sexy. That one's pretty sexy too. Boring. See, sexy 1, sexy 2, sexy 1, sexy 2. 2, you can see it better though. Ew. I like it. Okay. Let's go here to the 3-day time frame. See here. There is color button. LOL. Nice. Yeah, man. Look. So Al told me about the 0.5. I didn't know. I mean, it's here in front of my eyes. I didn't know. So this is what he uses, his successful trader. So guess what I'm doing? I'm using it. He also told us about this button right here. Liquidation map. Makes it look fancy. I don't know about you, but I feel smarter just having this here. And then now, Crypto Change Me told us about these buttons. They're right. I never clicked them. On the 3-day time frame, we can see we have nice liquidation. So the top side. Now, does that mean we're going here? No. Does it mean we have a higher chance? Yes. Why? Because we're so close to it. Does it mean that we will definitely? No. From here, said this a little earlier, we could come straight down and get this liquidation area, zones, and then come up. So just because we're here, same thing here. Like the one thing that I do know is we cannot, it's impossible, literally impossible. It's impossible for us to get this liquidation level without breaking this zone. Now, if we break this zone, does it mean we will definitely 100% come down here and take this? No. I like the fact that we're breaking these levels to the upside, finally. Let's look at Clash really quick before we look at Bitcoin. If you have any coins, let me know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know as well. Price went up, came down, pivoted, it's coming up again. We want to see a pullback again and a break of the high. We don't now, we don't really want to break these lows, but if we do, we have this zone we can bounce off of. If we break underneath the zone, not good. If we break above these levels, moon mission, potentially, but nobody knows. All right, moving on. All right, Bitcoin. We drew this out a few days ago. Price is way down here. Bigger picture, we're thinking we may come up to this zone, and we did, to pull back and bounce off of this lower part of the zone, and we did. We came up, or to come up. So when we were here, we still left this one here, but when we were here, I'm thinking we may continue coming up. If not, we may do this again, but we might come up, get rejected off of this trend line. Kind of zoom out a little bit. We can see we have a little zone here. Get reject all the trend line, come back down, and then hopefully work our way up. But then, we have a lot of levels up here. We have 2 anchored VWAPs. We have a little zone. We have a trend line. Lots of things working against us. So we may come down. We may come down. So, hey, D, not you is here. What's up, man? One more like. Thank you. Oh, D, not you. You're my favorite. You really do. And you are. So I appreciate you, man. You're the best. Appreciate you. Here, our thought process when we were way over here. We could come up, come down, come up. If we do break down, if we do, just know that there's a really high chance that we may come for these stops. Because every time people are going long, they're putting their stops underneath the wicks. and also these. This is if we break this level down. Can't nobody close. And we did it. So when the price, we're still thinking potentially this is our A. We had switched it to where the down was our A. Well, we had this one our A for a few days. Then as it's kind of going sideways, not looking good, we changed it to the downside. Then just recently, we changed it to the upside because, well, it's breaking the zones to the upside. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? We got about 5, maybe 10 more minutes. Quick show today. Unless there's questions, comments, concerns, issues. Now, of course, we don't all fixed range volume profile sometimes. Fixed range volume profile sometimes. What else do I use? The main thing I use, moving averages and also the VWAP. Those are the main things I use. Of course, I love the fib retracement. My levels. Support resistance. I'm super tired this week. Yeah, man, I am so sleepy. I'm staying up way too late being in JR's Discord. I'm like addicted to JR's Discord. I stayed up way too late. I was yawning for like the first 15, 20 minutes at work. Like, Joe, you getting enough sleep? So not really, man. And right now, I'm looking at charts and I'm kind of dozing off. I was like, man, let me go outside real quick. And so after the stream, I'm probably go to sleep early and catch up on my sleep. I'm off tomorrow, but I'm gonna see if I can go to my buddies. Maybe do a little cookout. We'll see. Or I might sleep in. I don't know. At this point, I'm thinking about sleeping. I don't know, but it'd be good to go hang out. But right now, we are actually getting rejected off of the VWAP, anchored VWAP. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. And it's okay if we pull back. I would like a pullback. So let's see our thought process here. We went up. Make sure max was off. We went up, kind of going sideways. Looks like it's getting rejected. May pull back to about here, which is fine. To potentially come up. Maybe get rejected here. Pull back again. And then maybe come up. Let's do this in blue, just so we can see it's different. Now, if we do this, and this is why we're always waiting to see what's potentially going to happen. If it comes down and it comes up and it does a lower high, it's still okay, because if we were to bounce off of this zone, this would still be good. This could still be good. If we re-enter this zone, not good. Not good at all, because more than likely what might happen is this right here, where we come down into the zone, break the zone, and go for this, and then continue going lower. So we have two different areas of a potential bounce. Now, notice here, I'm not giving an up right now because we already went up. We went up, kind of going sideways, hitting our head against the anchored VWAP. So more than likely, the chance of it coming down is much, much greater than going up. And if it pulled back here, it's fine. If we pull back even a little bit further, it's fine. If we pull back on down here, it's like 78%. That's not good, because now we could bump our head off of this level and then continue down. So that's my thought process. So here, Crypto Change Me says, is it my Wi-Fi connection or is the stream lagging? Is it lagging? I don't show anything. I dropped a few frames, but showing all green on my side. Let me know. Hey, we got Floki's Angels in the house. What's going on? I'm loving all the cat videos. Cats are so cute. Loving them. Loving the songs you guys got on them too. Very cool. Very cool. You're good. Thank you. Thank you for smashing the like. Appreciate you greatly. Yeah, it's gonna be like another 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. I was not going to do my stepper at all today, but I skipped yesterday because it's really cold. Today's really cold, but guess what? I don't know if you can see them. I got gloves on. Yo, you got gloves on in your house? Turn on the heater. I did turn on the heater. I turned on the heater, but I was outside and it was cold. It was like 34 degrees. And I mean, it's right now it's warming up. If I were to do this stepper for like another 10 more minutes, I definitely have to take off more than likely the jacket because it's starting to warm up. See, here's the Jane who says, I think it's me. See here. Yes, definitely. You my favorite. You know you're my favorite. You know it. Let's see here. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking about Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and look at some of these coins we've already done. For Sui, man, it's doing a bunch of nothing really. I don't like it. I don't like when it does nothing. I mean, go low, up, down, something. Make levels, break levels. We try to match the music as much as we can with the videos, mini videos. Yeah, it's so cute. It's so cute. I love the one. I love the one where it's like, I forgot what it says. Something about trying to like tell a cat to do something. And I made a comment. I was like, man, you can't tell them to do anything. Like, even if you yelled at them, they'll look at you like, who are you talking to? Somebody behind me? Because I know you ain't talking to me like that. They're funny. Johnny December, my man. Johnny. Listening, but not in the chat much. Hey, I appreciate you, Johnny. I really do. Thank you for. And Johnny's another great trader. Like, there's so many great traders here. And they're not even here to like get a call or a signal or like, oh, is there a different way for me to trade? Because these guys they're successful already. Same thing with Al. You know, JR, like they're nice. Johnny December just became a TI family supporter. I'm not sure if I told you already, but you're my favorite. So thank you. Like all that stuff helps. It really does help support the channel. So thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. But yeah, like all these guys, they're and girls, they're here supporting, you know, and some are, you know, they're interested in learning and everything else. And that's what I'm here for. I want to answer questions. I want to show you the way I trade. And my way of trading is different from others. And that doesn't mean mine's right. It just means that's how I trade, you know? Oh yeah. Let's see here. Let's see here. Johnny December says, don't know how I lost my green. LOL. Not sure. Whoa. Nice, man. Thank you, Johnny. Johnny's my favorite ×2. Johnny December just donated 5 gifted memberships. I appreciate you, man. Crypto Junkie, Antonio, 777. John Newton and 89 got one. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you, man. You're the best. You are the best. All right, let's see here. Sue is not doing anything. Very boring. I like seeing ups and downs, but boring. Virtual, looking at Virtual. So Virtual had made a nice little move, bounce. And we're looking at it here and we're thinking, ah, man, it's kind of, so this is not an official setup. If it's an official setup, I'll have targets or at least one target. It's kind of risky. You know, we could be possibly catching the bottom. If you wanted to enter the trade, you know, just know that the price may come down, maybe like 2% before maybe going up. And then maybe coming back down. The main thing we want to see is break of the highs and not the lows. We ended up going up, pulling back, coming up. So now, you know, if you entered here, for me personally, I would have to move up my stop loss to about here, just in case it comes down and then continues rolling over. So basically we don't want to break in the lows. Right now it's doing okay on the highs, but in my opinion, having your eye on virtuals is never a bad thing. Let's see here. Go into this one. Pax code 52. I think Damien was talking to us about it at like 48 or something like that. How he was in it and I should get in it. It's like, nope, it's too risky for me. It's like, well, scary money don't make no money. And I agree with him 100%. And you see a retracement. It's not retracing. It's just up only. And it's like, I can't do it. The chance of it going up is good because it's gold. Same thing with silver. But the possibility of a retracement is very, very probable. And for that reason, I don't want to enter. Now, if I was just going to invest, then sure. You know, you put money in. If it pulls back, you just buy more. But for me, I'm not at the point of investing. Right now, I'm just at the point of trading. Next year, I'll be doing investing. When everything hopefully comes down. If it does come down, could it be coming down to maybe 57? Because it went up so high? Sure, possible. But, you know, he told us about it somewhere over here, I'm guessing, a couple days ago. And it's at 52 now. So, there you go. So here, River. We'll be talking about River. We had a look at it way over here. This is our thought process. Who took the trade, guys? Who took the trade? Even though it was in a setup, it's just thought process. Who took the trade? Put a 4 and a 13 and get out of here. Then it broke the level. Came down, beautiful bounce. To me, this looks good. What am I doing? To me, this looks good. Came down to this. Up, higher, low. Breaking this. What's the pullback percentage probability? From here to maybe here. Ooh, about 10%. If it pulled back 10%, I would not be mad. Not sure what the market cap is on this. But if it pulled back to about 10% and then did a lower high, I wouldn't freak out. Not financial advice. The only problem with this is like you'd have to put your stop loss like at 20-25%. And then if it hits, ouch. That's the only problem though. But and it's actually broke this zone from there to there. And it actually retested the zone too. There to there. See that it broke out, bounced on a few times, but I wouldn't be mad if it pulled back 10%. Hey, me, Damien, we were just talking about you. Ah, dang it! No, I just got home, man. I got home at 6, start trading, but I definitely need to see it. I definitely need to see it. Let's see here. I'll probably. Ah, man, I'm so tired, but I'm gonna see if I can watch it tonight, and you'll know because I'll leave comments. I'll leave comments. And I'm not just going to click on it, smash a like, leave a comment, and leave. I'm going to watch the show. Just to give you a heads up. That's what I do. I watch people's shows. But we're just talking about you. That's what I said here, though. That's what I said here, though. That's what I said here, though. Now, maybe possible. We got about 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Joe, you said that 5 minutes ago. I know. 5 minutes, and then that'll be the stream. This one, CRCLX, whatever that is. To me, I mentioned, you know, if we break the 618, sad news, because it could continue coming down. Could you buy right now and it be the bottom? Sure. But if it does come up because of these lower highs, thinking come down some more, you know, could you enter and be 20% richer than me? Sure. But I would set an alert up here, get out of all this chop, and then you can enter. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? If so, let me know. If not, forever hold your peace. Looked at this one a few weeks ago. We had a new viewer, and I said, I like it. It's a stock UEC weekly time frame, Uranium Energy Corp. I said, I like it. I'd enter now. If we do pull back, hopefully we bounce over this red zone, come up. But this is my plan A, so that we are not pulling back to the zone. But if we do, it's fine. But if we break below the zone, ooh, not good. Melissa, one love. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you very much. And it's gone up 60%. 60% since we talked about it. Who went to the trade? Who did the trade? Put 9s and 4s and 8765309. If you want, you can put that. Man, freaking silver. Are you freaking kidding me right now? $113. A high of about $117.50. My blood pressure just went up. I literally felt my blood pressure go up. Wow. This was a setup. Give it on YouTube. Aggressive entry was here. We could, do this. Oh, this is XMR. This is our VIP setup. Now that I'm looking at it. Whoops. Aggressive setup, safer entry. And right now it's kind of going sideways. If we break back into the zone, our last chance of hope is the bouncing down here. If not, boop, stopped out. We'll see. Let's see here. Oh man, I love you. And on that note, we will be leaving. I appreciate you guys greatly. Again, it's gonna be a quick show, and oh, work. It's gonna be a quick show. Very cold, extremely sleepy. I'm gonna see if I can get into a trade, but not fall asleep this time, and make sure I put a stop loss. Such a rookie move, but it happens. It happens. It hasn't happened in a long time, and it happened to happen, and I didn't like that happen. But I do thank you guys very much. You guys are the best. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. I might do a bonus stream. I'm not too sure. I might go to my buddy's house, maybe do some barbecue. But I might sleep in too because I'm really tired. We'll see. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow for sure at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Possibly bonus stream. We'll see. Unless I sleep in. All right. Thank you guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Where's the off button? Where is it? We only traveled 35 minutes. Boring. Those are rookie numbers. 0.58. It's better than nothing. 0.58 miles. 0.59 miles. Where's the off button?